I think I just need to get new batteries because you see it says hold it down. Right there it says hold it down. I hold it down. And I won't shoot. But I like the gun. The batteries right here. Just have to pull back and it open. The magazine, but you see the BBs, they get stuck in there. I think it's because when I try to shoot it, it won't come out because I need new batteries, I think. But it gives you a small packet of batteries, BBs. It doesn't give any batteries, and I knew they wouldn't give me enough BBs, so I bought a container. I recommend getting these. I get these all the time. Yeah, but I recommend buying this. Just buy new batteries.
It has the magazine. It's on semi. You gotta hold this for it to shoot. It's a blowback. The FPS is 180. It's really good for the price. Not too full auto. Full. It ran out of bullets. It's electric. You gotta put the batteries in it. Sorry, but yeah. It's a blowback. Pretty cool. Just $42. And yeah.
Alright, so you guys either purchased or want to purchase the HK P30. Now, HK is a cool brand. I have some of their guns. They are top notch, really cool stuff. And you also saw that it's blowback full auto, it's electric, and it has blowback, right? So there's a lot of cool things. And when you look at it on video, whoa, it looks real, right? It looks nice. No, don't bother with it, you guys. Look how loud and clumsy this thing is. It's bad. It's not a blowback sound. That's the sound of plastic clacking together. Don't get it. I mean, when I put the tracer on it to watch the BBs literally flew like they were just like, yeah, it's not good. And a silencer will not help you. The magazines are weird. This gun is not worth it, you guys. Either buy something for your other guns, like an accessory or something, but stay away from this. This is garbage.
The gun comes with 2 mags. This is semi-automatic, and this is fully automatic.